The genuine quality that really came across with the people that came out when after I talked with Charlie. Charlie was great right up front, gave me a really good, strong idea of different directions to take regarding some of the special things that needed to be done on the roof. And the other two guys that came out were wonderful. You know, it was a pretty easy decision after that. They just really, the trust factor, I guess, that was one of the things as I was in the trades, I became aware of. When I would show up on time, people would be surprised. And I got the same feeling from these guys that they really genuinely had my best interests at heart. So I felt very confident about going with Kanga Roof. We were rushing, the weather was kind of coming in, and we found a date that worked. Materials got dropped, the crew came out. I think the process itself moved very quickly, maybe nudged along because the weather was coming, but you know, in the end, they just did a spectacular job. It wasn't the thing where this is, you know, going on and on. It was done. They cleaned up amazingly well, and so far it's just it's a joy to be able to say I got a new roof, and that confidence factor that when it's snowing and raining again, I don't have to worry. Making a big decision like this on you know, probably your largest investment is really, I think, that trust factor. You want to feel confident and feel good you've made the right decision, and I think Kanga Roof really came across for me in that regard. You just want to make sure at the end of the day when you've signed that contract that you're going to feel good, and that's the kind of feeling that I got. We hopped to it.